So, unang-una, ipagdasal natin ang Pilipinas dahil we have a Secretary of Justice na hindi alam ang batas.
Marcos.
Yan.
Wala siyang comment. Senator Ma'am Sopar Pimentel, SP lang po.
And then, yung guns. Guns pala, sorry. Okay. So, yon. So, binasa ko yung kanilang mga statements and nakita ko doon ay puro unusual, unbecoming, unhinged. Ano yung isang nila?
Esperada, ma'am.
Hindi, may
Sorry.
Yeah, unhinged, unusual, unbecoming,
Uncalled for.
unsound mind, and what was the other one?
Uncalled for.
Hindi, meron pa isa. Okay, si Pimentel was unusual, si Escudero was unbecoming, si Young Guns was,
Unsound.
unsound is Remulla, unhinged is one of those, and then Young Guns is unstable.
Unstable. Mental unstable.
Yes. So, yung lima na yan, yun lang naman yung gist ng mga sinasabi nila. And, unahin na muna natin, dalawa kasi siya eh. One is legal, doon kay DOJ, and then one is a demand for a psychiatric exam doon sa House of Representatives naman. Okay. So, unang-una, ipagdasal natin ang Pilipinas dahil we have a Secretary of Justice na hindi alam ang batas. There is a big difference between talking about desecration a body and actually desecrating a body. Talking about desecration of a body is not desecration of the dead. Dapat sana siguro, as a lawyer, maintindihan niya yon kagad. But apparently, sabi nga ng iba, pag mabilis ka, meron talagang mga mabagal ang pick-up. So, yan yon.